To hide photos with password by adding them to the secure folder in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open your secure folder either from the setting menu or from the app screen. If you have not created a secure folder yet, you can click the link on the top right to see the step on how to create a secure folder. In this video, we will open the secure folder from the app screen. To do so, go to the app screen, find the secure folder and then tap it. Enter your secure folder password. Next, tap the three dot icon or more icon and then select add files. Next, select images to add photos to the secure folder. Now select the desired photos you'd like to add. Tap Done button. A pop-up menu will appear to ask you whether you like to move the selected files or copy them. Select Move to move the selected photos to the gallery app in your secure folder, and also remove them from the original gallery app. Now tap Gallery. You can see that the selected photos have been moved to the gallery app in the secure folder. Alternatively, you can hide photos by moving them to the secure folder directly from your gallery app. To do so, open your gallery app. Select the desired photo you like to hide. Tap More icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then select Move to Secure Folder. Now, enter your secure folder password. The selected photos will be moved to the gallery app in your secure folder, and they will be removed from the original gallery app. By doing this, next time you want to access those photos, you will need to open the secure folder and then unlock it with your secure folder password. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.